Hello everyone, this is Abhijit Nair, and I created SpeakNotes.py with my teammate Aditi for the Facebook AI Hackathon. So SpeakNotes.py is a normal notepad combined with uh, Facebook's Wit.AI artificial intelligence services to make a hybrid application that uh, has the capabilities of normal notepad along with text to audio, audio to speech, audio to text, and speech to text capabilities. We made this application using Python's takeinter library and Bit.ai's API services. And this is the first time that both of us have uh, gotten into uh, Python application development as well as Python GUI programming. So without any further delay, let's get into the demo of the application. So this is the welcome screen, and when you press next, you're taken to the application. Now the application has 5 buttons, uh, actually 6, and one back button to take you back to the welcome screen, and a loader at the bottom to uh, show loading processes. So the first button, that is open, opens up any file that's in text format or with files with .txt extension. So here I'm taking a text file that contains some code, and you can see the code getting printed out on the notepad. And the save button saves the file again in .txt format uh, anywhere on your PC. For example, I name it as ABC. Uh, it's ABC1 and save it. Now if I look into my desktop where I save the file, I can see the file here. Similarly, there's before I get into the mic option, I would like to cover the rest of the 3 buttons. So this one with a paint symbol on it helps you to change the color of the text as well as the background color and font style. For example, I choose purple here and it changes into a purple color. And for the background, let's say I choose gray, and font style, uh, let's say I go for Arial, Algerian, bold, italic, and it becomes like this. And the next thing is the audio text functionality. Now let me clear this all, and you can change the background color back to white. Now audio text accepts only files in .wappcm format, .aiff and AIFFC formats. So here is a recording file from my teammate Aditi, uh, and I will play this here. Now the process of converting audio to text is underway, and it's done. And you can see here, I'll make the font style, uh, maybe Arial is better. So here you can see, and here it's a small speech recognition mistake. I mean, her name is not getting identified correctly, but rest of the things, as you can see, has come with great accuracy. And if we can cross check that with the actual audio, so here I'm going to play it.
Hello there. This is Meghanaditi, and I am pursuing my BTech third year in Vellore Institute of Technology, Amravati of Computer Science branch. And I took a small part in this project of documenting the complete speaking notes.
We got almost the same results, and uh, I mean there are certain limitations to your current speech recognition technologies. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you is the text to audio feature, and for that let me type something here very simple. Let's say, hi, this is a beautiful day, and I'm going to convert this, and now you can convert the file to any format that you wish. So I'm gonna just type it here, hello dot mp3, and here it is. And when the file conversion uh, completes, you can see on top of the application the path tab file. So let's play this.
Hi, this is a beautiful day.
That's our text to audio button. And now I would like to go into the mic button. And the reason why I'm doing this at the end is because we haven't still programmed a way to use this without having the window frozen. So for like, if I click this button, I have to wait until the audio gets processed and displayed on the exterior. But we will do this in a better way in a future version. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to say something like, you know, this is a demonstration video, for example, and it might get displayed here correctly. This is a demonstration video. Well, the demonstration video came, this part came, but it left out the initial two words. Let's try and get something else. Um, let's say this is a YouTube video. This is a YouTube video. I think that didn't get recognized. Let's try with something else. This is a beautiful day. Well, speech recognition has its own uh, limitations as of now, but hopefully we'll be able to come up with a better version in the future and convert this into an Android application or something. So that's it for the demo. Thank you.